Have you ever dreamt of achieving something incredible? We all have dreams, but sometimes those dreams feel impossibly far away. It's easy to get discouraged, but what if I told you that achieving anything is possible? It's about understanding the journey. So, are you ready to unlock your potential? Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? Let's start with the most important question. Why? Why do you want to achieve this dream? Your why is your compass, guiding you through every challenge and triumph. Dig deep. Unearth the passion that lies within. Write it down. Say it out loud. Own your why because it's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Embrace your own definition of success. It's your journey, your story to write. So, let's get clear on your vision. What does achievement look like for you? Before you set your sights on any goal, take a moment to look within. Self-awareness is the key that unlocks your full potential. It's about understanding your strengths and acknowledging your weaknesses. What truly matters to you? Your values are your compass, pointing you towards a life that feels meaningful and authentic. Now that you have a better understanding of yourself, it's time to talk about goals. Goals are the stepping stones on your path to achievement. But not just any goals. We're talking about SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. Your goals should be clear and well-defined. Measurable. How will you track your progress? Set milestones and metrics. Achievable. Be ambitious but also realistic. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. It creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay motivated. Turning your dreams into reality starts with putting pen to paper. Write down your goals. Read them aloud. Visualize yourself achieving them. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Create a plan of action. What steps do you need to take to achieve each milestone? Be strategic, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as you go. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Remember, this is your journey. Your goals are your own, and never ever give up on your dreams. Now that you have your goals clearly defined and a plan in place, let's talk about the most important ingredient for success, your mindset. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world, yourself, and your abilities. You can approach life with a fixed mindset or cultivate a growth mindset, embracing the belief that you can learn, grow, and improve with effort and dedication. When you approach challenges with a growth mindset, you see them not as obstacles, but as opportunities for learning and development. Setbacks are a natural part of the journey, and you use them as fuel to propel yourself forward. Challenges are inevitable. Life will throw curveballs your way. With a growth mindset, you view challenges as opportunities to learn, grow, and expand your comfort zone. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you stretch your capacity for growth. You learn new skills, gain valuable experience, and build resilience. Embrace challenges as opportunities to rise to the occasion and prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. Setbacks are a part of life. Everyone experiences them at some point in their journey. The key is to not let setbacks define you. Don't allow them to derail you from your goals. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, reframe them as opportunities for learning and growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this setback to become stronger and more resilient? Transform setbacks from roadblocks into springboards, propelling you forward with even greater determination. Imagine building your dream house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? That's what it's like chasing a dream without a plan. Planning isn't about stifling spontaneity, it's about creating a roadmap to guide you. Start by breaking down your big, audacious goal into smaller, more manageable steps. These become your milestones, those mini victories that keep you motivated along the way. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Put your thoughts and ideas down on paper. Now that you have your plan in place, it's time to prioritize. Not all tasks are created equal. Some will move you closer to your goals, while others might distract you. Think of your time and energy as your most valuable resources. Invest them wisely. Learn to say no to distractions and commitments that don't align with your goals. Focus on the essential few tasks that will have the biggest impact. You get to choose what you focus on, what you say yes to, and what you let go of. Choose wisely. No matter how well you plan, life will always throw you curveballs. The key is to be adaptable. Be willing to adjust your sails, to pivot when necessary. Embrace flexibility. Review your plan regularly, and be open to making adjustments as needed. The journey to achievement is rarely linear. There will be twists, turns, and detours along the way. The unexpected detours often lead to the most incredible discoveries. Stay open, stay flexible, and trust that you have the resilience and adaptability to navigate whatever comes your way. Embrace the unexpected as part of the journey. You've done the inner work. You've defined your why, set smart goals, and embraced a growth mindset. You have a plan, a strategy, and the adaptability to handle whatever comes your way. Now, it's time to take action. It's time to move from the world of dreams to the world of reality. The secret is to focus on taking one step at a time. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and then focus on completing one task each day. One step forward, every single day. That's the magic formula for achieving anything in life. Remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. Have you ever noticed how starting is often the hardest part? That initial push can feel daunting, but once you get started, momentum takes over. Think of it like pushing a heavy boulder up a hill. At first, it requires a lot of effort, but once the boulder starts rolling, it gains momentum. The same principle applies to achieving your goals. The more consistent you are with your actions, the more momentum you build. Each small step forward creates a ripple effect, propelling you forward. So how do you build momentum? Start small, take action, even if it's just a tiny step. Now let's talk about the secret sauce, the ingredient that separates those who dream from those who achieve: grit. Grit is that unwavering determination, that relentless pursuit of your goals, even in the face of adversity. It's the voice inside you that says, "I'm not giving up. Not now, not ever." Grit is what keeps you going when the going gets tough, when you encounter setbacks, when you feel like giving up. Cultivating grit is essential for achieving anything worthwhile in life. It's in those moments when you dig deep that you discover your true potential. In a world that's constantly evolving, the pursuit of knowledge is never ending. It's a journey of continuous learning, of expanding your horizons, of becoming the best version of yourself. Think of your mind as a muscle. Just like any muscle, it needs regular exercise to grow stronger. The best way to exercise your mind is through continuous learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, attend workshops. The more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to know. Embrace the joy of discovery. Let curiosity be your guide. Now let's talk about the importance of deliberate practice. To truly master any skill, you need to practice with intention, with focus, and with a relentless pursuit of improvement. Deliberate practice involves stepping outside your comfort zone, identifying your weaknesses, and working tirelessly to improve them. Seek feedback from experts and mentors, and then use that feedback to refine your technique. Mastery is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about falling in love with the process of continuous improvement. Strive for excellence in all that you do. Imagine having a guide, a mentor, someone who's already walked the path you're on and achieved the success you aspire to. Someone who can offer you invaluable insights, guidance, and support along the way. That's the power of mentorship. A mentor is someone who believes in your potential, even when you doubt yourself. Seek out mentors in your field, people you admire, people who inspire you. Reach out to them, ask for their advice, and be open to their feedback. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Be respectful of your mentor's time and be prepared to offer something in return. Share your own experiences, your insights, and your willingness to learn. Imagine yourself standing alone in a vast field, facing a fierce headwind. It's tough going, right? Now picture this: a group of people standing beside you, their combined strength pushing back against the wind. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams, who cheer you on, and who offer a helping hand when you need it most. These are your cheerleaders, your confidants, the people who remind you of your strength when you forget. Seek out positive, supportive individuals who inspire you to be your best self. Choose your circle wisely. Section 2. The power of collaboration. Think back to a time you achieved something great as part of a team. The shared effort, the diverse perspectives, the collective energy. It's magical, isn't it? Collaboration amplifies your efforts, allowing you to achieve more than you ever could alone. Two heads are better than one, and a group of passionate individuals working towards a common goal? Unstoppable. Embrace opportunities to collaborate with others who share your vision. Seek out partnerships that complement your strengths and challenge you to grow. Brainstorm ideas, share resources, and leverage each other's talents to create something truly extraordinary. Remember, the journey to achievement doesn't have to be a solo mission. Embrace the power of collaboration and watch your dreams take flight. Life is a roller coaster. It's full of highs and lows. Our emotions can swing wildly from excitement to fear. Emotional intelligence is about riding those waves with grace. It's about understanding your own emotions and others. Think of emotional intelligence as a superpower. Recognize when you're feeling overwhelmed. Pause, take a deep breath, and respond constructively. Mastering your emotions is an ongoing journey. Life isn't always easy. There will be setbacks and moments when you feel like giving up. It's not about avoiding challenges, but how you respond to them. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity. It's the inner strength that keeps you going. Cultivating resilience is essential for achieving anything worthwhile. The journey to success is rarely linear. There will be obstacles and detours. Dig deep and tap into your inner strength. Remember, you are stronger than you think. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference? Time management. Make conscious choices about how you spend your most precious resource. Think of time as a currency. Spend it, invest it, or waste it. The choice is yours. Identify your time bandits and eliminate them. Prioritize activities that align with your goals. Section 2. Productivity Power-Ups. Now that you're more aware of how you're spending your time, let's talk about maximizing your productivity. Think of these as productivity power-ups, simple yet effective strategies to help you get more done. One powerful technique is the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This structured approach helps you maintain focus and prevents burnout. Another game changer is the Eisenhower Matrix, a simple tool for prioritizing tasks. By categorizing your tasks into 4 quadrants, you can quickly identify which tasks deserve your immediate attention and which ones can be delegated or eliminated. Remember, productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. By implementing these strategies, you can unlock your peak performance and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Section 1. Nurturing the engine you. Imagine a powerful sports car, sleek design, roaring engine built for speed. But what if you never changed the oil, never checked the tires, never gave it the fuel it needs to run? You are that powerful machine. You're capable of incredible things, but you need to prioritize your well-being. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Think of it as refueling your engine, tuning up your system, ensuring you're in top shape to conquer your goals. Start with the basics. Nourishing your body with healthy foods, moving your body regularly, getting enough sleep. These simple acts are like hitting the reset button, allowing you to show up as the best version of yourself each day. The balancing act. Life beyond achievement. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of our goals. True fulfillment comes from finding balance in all areas of life. Think of it like a spinning top. It spins best when it's perfectly balanced. Prioritize well-being, relationships, and passions outside of work. Make time for activities that bring you joy. These moments are essential fuel for your journey. Embrace the balancing act and watch your happiness soar. Stress, the silent saboteur. Stress is a sneaky beast. It creeps into our lives, often unnoticed, until it's wreaking havoc. Recognize the signs of stress in your own life. Are you feeling overwhelmed, irritable, or exhausted? Prioritize stress management. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine. Stress is normal, but it doesn't have to control you. Section 4. The power of disconnection. We live in a world that's constantly connected, constantly demanding our attention. Emails, social media notifications. It can be overwhelming. It's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Make time for digital detox. Schedule regular breaks from your devices. Disconnect and reconnect with yourself. Go for a walk in nature, have a conversation, read a book, or simply sit in silence. These moments are essential for recharging. Remember, you are not a machine. Make time to rest and recharge. The journey to achievement is not a straight line. It's a winding path filled with unexpected detours and moments of breathtaking beauty. You've learned the power of self-awareness and the importance of setting goals. You've discovered the magic of momentum and the strength of grit, but this is not the end, this is just the beginning. The journey never truly ends, and that's what makes it so exciting. Your legacy of achievement. What will your legacy be? What impact do you want to make on the world? It's about the lives you touch and the difference you make. Live true to your values and leave the world better. Embrace challenges, celebrate victories, and never give up. You are capable of extraordinary things. Your legacy of achievement starts now.